Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I have another review for you. And look at this. We're going to talk about the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. Like, why do I even need to talk about this? During the summer, my lips are always super dry. I've bought a lot of lip balms and I mean, some of them do work to some extent, but not really. It ends up being dry again, or I'll have to end up applying several times in the day. Then I found this Palmer's lip balm. I mean, this is the first time I'm using Palmer's lip balm. I use their product, their skin products and all that, but I've never used their lip balm and I decided to try it and I was pleasantly surprised. For the first time in the winter, my lips actually stayed hydrated throughout the day. So I just apply it on my lips and go about my duties in the day and my lips stay hydrated. And now let's see. So it says it softens and smoothens your lips and it has cocoa butter, obviously. It's been crafted with intensively moisturizing cocoa butter and vitamin E. It locks in hydration to protect lips from chapping, cracking, or environmental damage. My lips were always chapped, dry. I end up having to peel that skin off my lips sometimes in the winter. Now, let's see, the ingredients. Contains mineral oil, wax, cocoa butter, sunflower oil. And it contains corn oil, a beta carotene, and some fragrance, but the fragrance is so pleasant. It has this classic Palmer's fragrance. I mean, if you use Palmer's, the classic Palmer's cocoa butter fragrance. That's what it has here, and it smells like chocolate. So I mean, you always want to use it. And I mean, I actually got two. Okay, each of them is a 4 grams, and I mean, it's enough, more than enough. Of course, it's just for your lips, and it's very thick. It has a very rich texture. It's very thick as compared to the other lip balms, which is more on the oily side. It has a very light texture. But if you're looking for something to actually keep your lips hydrated throughout the day, you definitely need to try this, because the formula is great. It keeps it hydrated and it stays hydrated. You don't need to continue applying. So I found this very effective and I loved it so much. That is why I decided to share it with you. Okay guys, so has anybody been using the Palmer's lip balm during the winter? How do you find it? Do you like it? Don't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.